Okay, welcome to CSONS at Home. Okay, so this week we're going down kind of Nepalese route. Start with the main event. We've made some lovely sort of vegetarian momos. We have got pickled potato salad, some tomato and sesame achar. This is just coriander at the moment, but the Shropshire microgreens are back in action, and some toasted sesame. So the first thing, make a little foil basket for our dumplings or momos. Probably should have got a little bit of water just boiling. Okay, we're not going to cook this anymore, we're just going to keep it somewhere warm, so pop that up there. Okay, so just a little bit of boiling water just in the bottom. Just a little touch. And just fold it over. And pop her in the oven. Yes, about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less. Hopefully enough time to get these guys nice and hot. Just do a little mound of these in the middle. Sauce. Yeah. And dumplings. Fairly symmetrical, something like that. And then thinking maybe we'll just do a little bit like this. It's the tomato achar, so it's a tomato and sesame, kind of salsa-y type thing. And as I said before, this is just coriander and a few other herbs at the moment, but we'll have the Shropshire microgreens back, so we'll just dot them around a bit like this. Make sure you see all the colours. And finally, nice sprinkling of our sesame seeds.